Hey, let me ask you a question. Yeah, I'm talking about you, the one who's watching this video right now. Are you a brand new gardener who has no idea what they're doing? Or maybe you're a seasoned pro and you have a specific question about soil conditions or a specific plant, or perhaps how to get pests out of your garden. Then here's a thought. Why not ask me your questions in the comments? Because I'm a Texas master gardener. And educating and helping out gardeners is literally what we do. Doesn't matter if it's about soil structure, about native plants, there's no question it's too big or too small. Or maybe you're a lover of houseplants and you're trying to figure out how to propagate your monstera. Don't worry, Ray's got your back. I respond to comments in about 24 hours. Remember, the help you need is only one comment away. I've already answered over 600 questions on Instagram, well, I'll let them have all the fun. Yeah. And if you don't have any specific questions, just remember to enjoy life, enjoy family, and enjoy your garden. Thanks for watching.